Hey everyone, that's a new video on this channel, and it's gonna be a video about Croatia. So my trip to Croatia started early in the morning when I had flight from Berlin to Pula, and so it took about 2 hours. From Pula we went straight to hotel which is located in Rovinj, and from there we went to city Poreč in the first day, where we spent few hours until the rain started. So in city Porec we spent about hour, maybe two. It's a really nice place there, but there's not much to see there. But on the other hand, there are many pretty cool and old buildings there, and as you can see from the footage. So from there we went back to Rovinj, and we just walked around and spent some time there. Just walking around the city, and at the end we just had dinner and went back to hotel. And here are some of the views of the city.